Conditional statement are done if else, and if else if. If else done conditional statement, and iterative statements for is done while is continuing. Okay. So while, yeah. Yeah, while loop. Okay, while loop. If you want to execute a group of statements iteratively, you need some condition false, then we should go for while loop. That means, and for loop statement, for loop definition, if we want to execute some actions for every element present in some sequence, and while loop is iterative until some conditions false, we then should go for while loop. So some conditions are true and false, so we go should for while loop. And if you want to iterate equations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to up to n numbers, so go for loop. So same thing. For example, to print numbers from 1 to 10 by using while loop. So yeah, 1 minute. This is my system is hang. Yeah, Neela. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Right. So while loop. While loop. Yeah. So define x equal to 1. So while because x, what you conditions will be continue. So x less than equal to 10. So while equal to true. So x is 1 up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this equal to. If you want to only less than, so less than 10 यानी कि will be iterate your while loop 9, but conditions 2 less than and equal to. So equal to is 10. For example, for loop iterate 10, 10 less than equal to 10. So result is true. So output is 1 up to print 10. So delete this. So I want a print of x and iterate. If I not execute this value, so what is the output? Output is a infinite loop. Infinite. One. Infinite. Don't terminate. Infinite of your own. Because x की value is 1. So less than is always true. X less than equal to 10. So 1 is less than 10. 1 is less than 1 is less than 10. So continue. We continue. 1 is not like that. Like that. If I want to 1, 2, 3, 4. So execute this line. So if I say break and continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's like this. And after this continue. Again done it. So why? So this is only inner loop. So while this condition only inner loop. So while this condition 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. This is while attributes. 1 minute. This is not responding. So your database 1 to 10 print. If they means I will show you explain how to work while loop. Only paint. Yeah. So yeah. X equal to 1 while x less than equal to 10 and go print of x की value. So this is a okay. So why? Because while loop iterator. So less x equal to 1. 1 is x. X is print 1 less than 1 less than equal to 10. So condition is true because 1 is less than 10. So print is 1 and x. So while break the loop and फिर again x equal to 1. So 1 less than equal to 10. So again and again x equal to 1 less than 10. X equal to 1 less than 10. So again and again continue continuously while loop is running. So 1. So again and then after the terminate loop, but I want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. So what I can do? So 1. So print of x equal to x plus 1. So means x equal to 1 less than equal to 10. So condition is true. So x की value 1 and again फिर for loop x equal to x plus 1. So x equal to x plus 1. So x value is 1. 1 and 1 plus 1. So x is equal to 2. So 2. 2 2 less than equal to 10. So condition is true. So print of 1 and 2. And again 3 less than equal to 10. So condition is true. So result is 3. So up to 1 2 3 up to 10. So last value is 10. X is 10 equal to less than equal to 10. So condition is true because less than is false but equal to, both conditions are one true, so condition is true. So equal to is true. So 10 equal 10, 10 is true. So 1 2 3 up to 10. So result is up to 10, 1 to 10 results. So understand what is the output? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fayaz? Fayaz,
Hello, sir.
understand? This code understand?
Yes, I
Oh,
understood.
okay. Nila, understand?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, yeah. ठीक, I know. सौविक समझ में आया ना?
हाँ?
हाँ
सौविक?
सर, आया।
हाँ, देखो कुछ नहीं, बस इसमें हमें x की वैल्यू डिफाइन करना रहता है while यानी क्योंकि जब तक आप लूप चलाओगे इसमें x लेस देन इक्वल टू 10, यानी कि x की वैल्यू जब तक 10 ना हो जाए तब तक आपका लूप चलता रहेगा, ये ब्रेक नहीं होगा। और जब x की वैल्यू 10 हो जाएगी तो वहां पर वैल्यू टर्मिनेट होकर आपकी वैल्यू प्रिंट कर देगा 1 to 10, लूप ब्रेक हो जाएगा वहां से। ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
ओके, सो ओके, नेक्स्ट
Excuse me, sir.
एग्जांपल। हाँ, या
Last class I did not attend the class.
लास्ट क्लास,
Which topic did you teach?
ओके, लास्ट क्लास टॉपिक फॉर लूप एंड
For loop.
स्पेशल, हाँ फॉर लूप एंड इफ एल्स, दिस इज लास्ट क्लास टॉपिक, या सो लास्ट क्लास टॉपिक इज योर for loop statement control flow topic. So I have done control flow, conditional statement, if else, if and iterative for and while. So two topics are completed yesterday.
Okay.
Mr. Sunil,
Yeah,
I already asked you the recording,
yeah,
class
man.
recording videos.
Yeah,
Please,
okay, I will share.
please send it to me. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
Also to
Okay.
me, sir.
yeah, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So understand while loop, how to work while loop?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Krishna, I have
Sir.
homework yesterday. You done it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
I have 3 questions, 4 questions. Done it? This is write a program to find the smallest given two numbers. Write a
Two
program
numbers
to
and
find.
3 numbers.
Did got it ना? Understand?
Yes,
Done
yes.
it? Done हो गया ना? Okay, ठीक. Okay.
सर इवन और ऑट वो वाला नहीं हुआ।
Even और road वाला नहीं हुआ.
हाँ सर।
Okay, हो जाएगा, मैं बता दूंगा उसको.
ठीक है सर।
Okay. So while do. If I say to display, second example, to display the sum of first n numbers, means if I put so if I put 50 numbers, so equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to sum of 50. So what is the answer? 50. So that is my questions. Okay, to display sum of first nth number through users. So this is your program, and run, and I will teach you. So yeah, sum of n, and yeah, yeah. So run, and I will to execute this. Enter the number. If I say 100, so the sum of first 100 numbers is 50-50. If I say 5, so 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How to work this? Okay, so okay, sum of 0. Okay, and I equal to 1. Sum of 0 means starting point sum, यानी कि 0 plus 1 result is sum. 0 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 2 convert to sum, so result is sum. Okay, so 1 I equal to 1 while so while equal to, no sorry, I less than of n. N means your n input, n number. So if I say 5, if I say put 5, so sum equal to sum plus I, and I equal to I plus 1. So first of all, n equal to 5, so 5. So I less than equal to 5, and I means I already 1, I already 1 define 1. So I less than equal to n number of 5. So I less than equal to 5, so I equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 5, so result is true. So sum sum equal to 0, so sum 0 plus I means 1, so 1. So 1 plus 0 equal to sum, so sum after sum value is 1. After again I plus 1, so I equal to 1, 1 plus s equal to 0, I equal to 1, so I equal to I plus 1, so I 1 equal to 1, so 2. So 2 1 less than equal to 5, sorry, 2 less than equal to 5, condition is true, so result is 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, so up to 3, so I equal to 3. So condition is 1 again, 1 again, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. This for loop to work. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So this is to display the sum of first n numbers. 55. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
How do you mention n equal to 5?
N equal to 5. N equal to
Yeah.
5. Yeah.
How did you mention it?
Okay. N equal to 5. You did mention it because I want only nth number of, this is my questions, to display sum of first nth number. If I say declared 5, so your output is 5. My means if you want to my agar if I want to print 15, 20, 55, any kind of number, sum of nth of number, so 55, 100, you can only choose. So if I say, so example, this is sum of n number. If I say input, understand na, this is your question na, n equal to 5. Fayaz?
Fayaz. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So फिर only बस out only 15, 15 again and again run 15, 15. So why me again? So I want only this put and you got it your answer. So this line means user defined function, user command line argument.
Okay, sir.
This means command line arguments. Type the any numbers. Type any numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of kind. So result is big number. So that is it dynamically. If you want to statically, so that is statically call. Only was 5, 5, 5 print, 5, 5 print. This is statically. If you are variable defined to fix the value, so that is called statically. If you want user defined, for example, this is user defined, so that is called dynamically called. Any number, so understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So write a program to prompt user to enter some name until entering Sunil. For example, which means yeah. Okay, yeah. Got it. ठीक. Yeah. Name. Karan. If I say Karan name, enter the name. Again and again, if you want absolutely name, so then enter. For example, if you want forget your password, so the again invalid password, invalid password, invalid password. If you want to write your password, so go to home button. So this means enter name, enter name. If I say real name, for say Durga, so thanks for your confirmation. So result is true. So while name not equal to Durga, because again and again naam not equal to Durga, not equal to Durga. So again and again enter name, enter name, enter name. If your confirmation is so Durga, so go for thanks for confirmation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. हाँ सर.
infinite loop. That means same infinite loop. For example, okay, yeah. This is infinite loop. Infinite time, then infinite. This condition is true. While true. So because true, this is condition true. So again and again. If I say condition 5, again and again. Why? Because while condition is true, so condition is satisfied this. So I less than equal to 5. Hello 6. This is terminate the loop. Okay. Remaining meeting at 50. So remaining 2 minutes after reconnecting. Got it? I will tell you 2 minutes before 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Second is infinite loop done, for loop done, while loop done. Second is nested loop. Nested loop means sometimes we can take a loop inside another loop, which are also known as nested loop. So best example for nested loop, C. Write a program to display stars in right angle triangle. You know right angle triangle? So if I say run, and I will tell you how to work this code. So okay. Okay. For J in range. J in range. This is inner loop. If you define loop inside loop, it's called inner loop. Yeah, got it. If I say run 100, so go 100. Got it? How to work this? You know how to work loop inside other loop. That is called inner loop. So how to work? Explain this. Size Okay. So for I in range. You know range function?
No, sir.
No,
No.
I will teach you already range data type, definer.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
range data type. Okay. Yeah. So 1 n plus 1, 1 comma 1 plus 1, n plus 1, sorry. So n plus 1, n plus 1. So n equal to 7. So if I say n equal to 7, so n plus 1 range of, so this is range only 1 n plus 7, yani कि 1 to 8. This is the output because 1 comma n plus 1, so n is 7 plus 1 equal to 8. ठीक? And other inner loop, so for I j in range, oh sorry, I in range, so this is I equal to I plus 1 equal to I plus 1, so I comma 1 comma I plus 1 comma I plus 1. That means execute first loop, so the inner loop, execute after the inner loop. First is row, second is column. This is row and this is column. You see? Okay. So 1 comma I plus 1 equal to 1, यानी कि I means that is I की value iterate because I की value is 8, so I plus 1 comma I plus 1, so 1 and I plus 1 equal to I iterate 8, I equal to j equal to sorry j equal to 0, so this j, so 1 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and then 7. This is column and this is row 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, then 8. So 8 rows and 7 columns. That is row, this is column. And after the, this is set of row, this is row and this is column. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is a for loop, this is a first loop row 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and row 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is a row and this is a column and this is a row. And print of star, so print if star and end, the end is end y is used to, this is space between the space, so this is basically space gap, this is used to only spaces. And print, the print is next line, to convert the next line. So if I say print 5 then is result 5. If I say I, it will be change. So why will my 1? So if I say not 1, if I say no 1, so this is result is start only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I say again 1.